Okay, our activity today is going to be looking at a simple object using augmented reality, and that's something I'm actually going to do. I think second semester with a bookshelf that I'm using for kind of a project-based assessment, where students design a piece of furniture, and in that they have to, calculate how much square footage of material that they used, and what I want to do with augmented reality is, after making a product, kind of like look at it from a variety of angles and have the students kind of reflect a little bit about the construction of it. So this is like a sample bookshelf that I made in probably something like 2 minutes. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at this using augmented reality. I've used the AR plugins. I got them right here and here. And next I'm going to put it on a little marker and then project it into the real world. Okay, so this is my bookshelf that I made, and it's actually to scale, and you can see kind of a nice cherry wood finish. It would be a lovely addition into a home. It's a nice amount of space, a two-shelf on one side, but then a lot of space on the other for a variety of things and decorations that you might have for an interior design. In addition to making like a commercial for this, the students could also potentially use this as a way to look at their project and reflect on how much material was made. On this face right here, there was approximately 4 square feet of material. On the bottom, for example, was 8. And so they could talk about different faces and what was the total volume of such a shape. So, with a project like this with Sketchup, they could actually take their creation like this and potentially project it in any sort of real-world setting. For example, if this was something that they made, they could put it, for example, in a room in their house and say, well, this is what this piece of furniture would look like here. And just to kind of show how it might fit in the physical space and kind of meld with some of the other designs that have been there. So this is SketchUp with the AR plugin, and a nice tool.